Packing for cruises can be stressful. Even after 15 of them, I still make a list. That way I can go through it and check it off. So stay tuned and watch me pack for a family of 3 going on a 3-night cruise. Hey guys, it's Marley from Portholesandpixiedust. Today I'm packing for our 3-day celebrity reflection cruise. If you're not already, like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and we're doing a giveaway. Comment down below cube if you would like to win the packing cubes that we'll be showing in this video. Towards the end of this video, you'll see me pack all of Maisie's clothes in this teeny tiny bag. Starting off, we've got her jammies. It's a 3-day cruise, so she's got jammies for every night. Can't forget the Barbie Posh Peanuts, okay? Just the pants that go with it. Next, lastly, we have the coffee set. Going into some day wear. Maisie is not walking yet, so her knees get super dinged up on her clothing, so she needs all the clothes. So we've got this little outfit. We've got multiple onesies. And then just some bottoms. We've got this little tutu skirt, some denim short. Going into evening wear, we have this really cute Mother's Day set. I also have the matching outfit. This little crocheted romper for one night. That's the back, that's the front. And another blue romper. I don't know why I keep this girl in so much blue. Maybe I just like blue. Anyways, we've got this little rash guard. It has Care Bears on it. And just a little one piece. Little baby shoes. Oh, they're so cute. And then she sleeps in a crib. So we don't know if they provide crib sheets on Celebrity, so we're bringing our own. This is Stitch. If you know anything about Maisie, you know she loves her Stitch. And then it does get cold at night, so we are bringing a stroller blanket. It's nice to have. Even if we're outside and we just want to drape it over the chairs to block the sun, it's always nice to have a blanket. And then bib and sun hat. And that concludes Maisie's outfits. We'll start with me next. Nighttime for me. I keep things simple, y'all. I care more about her. But I have this little midi dress, mini, something in between there. All of my clothes is from Target. I'm a Target girl. Here is the matching skirt to her outfit for Mother's Day. And then I have some tailored shorts, bodysuit, and then just some simple t-shirts. And then I have 2 of the same skirts, just 2 different colors because these are so comfortable. They're also Target JoyLab. I have some airy bike shorts, some Barbie Posh Peanut jammies for me. And then my swim is also airy. They have the best swim. High-waisted bottoms and this little cute keyhole top. Little strapless number. Some high-waisted bottoms as well. And then to keep things simple with shoes, pair of basic heels, and some sandals. And that's it, y'all. So that concludes the packing video for me and Maisie. Again, if you're interested in these packing cubes, comment cube down below. You're gonna watch me fit all of these clothes into 2 packing cubes. Again, like, comment, share this video with your friends, subscribe. Check out our past videos. We've already been on Carnival Paradise. We're about to do Celebrity Reflection, and then we're doing a back-to-back. So as soon as we get off this ship, we're getting on the Carnival Freedom. So there'll be another video on that. In June, we're doing the Margaritaville Islander inaugural cruise. July is Celebrity Reflection. August is Virgin Voyage. This is going to be our first time on Virgin. And in September, we're doing Utopia of the Seas. So if you like our content, subscribe and watch our little family of 3 explore the world.